Have you ever wondered why some people earn a lot of money but still stay broke, while others with average incomes become millionaires? The answer isn't always how much money you make. It's the habits you repeat every single day. Today, we're going to reveal the 7 money habits that keep millions of people poor without them even realizing it. If you're doing even one of these, it could be slowing down your journey to financial freedom. Let's get started. Habit number 1. Spending everything you earn. Many people receive their paycheck and immediately spend it on shopping, restaurants, entertainment, and expensive gadgets. By the end of the month, there's nothing left to save or invest. Wealthy people don't spend what's left after saving. They save and invest first, then spend what's left. Habit number 2. Living to impress other people. Luxury cars, designer clothes, expensive phones, and vacations may look impressive on social media, but many people are paying for these things with debt. Real wealth isn't about looking rich, it's about owning assets that generate income. Habit number 3. Avoiding investing. Many people leave all of their money sitting in a bank account because they're afraid of the stock market. While saving money is important, inflation slowly reduces the purchasing power of cash. Investing allows your money to work for you instead of sitting still. Habit number 4. Depending on only one source of income. If your salary stops tomorrow, what happens? Millionaires often have multiple income streams, such as investments, dividends, rental income, or online businesses. Having multiple sources of income creates financial security. Habit number 5. Using credit cards irresponsibly. Credit cards can be useful financial tools when used wisely, but carrying high-interest debt month after month can become one of the biggest obstacles to building wealth. Pay your balance on time whenever possible and avoid spending money you don't actually have. Habit number 6. Never learning about money. Most schools teach math, science, and history. Very few teach investing, taxes, budgeting, or personal finance. Successful people continue learning about money throughout their lives because financial education is one of the best investments you can make. Habit number 7. Waiting for the perfect time. Many people say they'll start investing next year. They'll save money after getting a promotion. They'll build wealth when life becomes easier. The truth is that the perfect time rarely comes. The best time to start improving your financial future is today. Imagine investing just a small amount every month for the next 10 or 20 years. Thanks to compound growth, those small investments can become surprisingly large over time. Building wealth isn't about making one perfect decision. It's about making good financial decisions consistently. The difference between wealthy people and everyone else often comes down to habits. Small daily choices create big long-term results. So ask yourself, which of these 7 habits do you need to change first? Start with one improvement today. Spend less than you earn. Invest consistently. Avoid unnecessary debt. Continue learning. Build multiple income streams. And most importantly, take action instead of waiting. Financial freedom isn't reserved for the lucky. It's available to people who develop the right habits and stay consistent over time. Remember, your financial future is built by the decisions you make today, not tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more investing, personal finance, passive income, and wealth-building strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.